Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text box transparent in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now I make text box transparent in this presentation. At first I have to insert a text box. Now select this text box and click show or hide format style option. Now I choose this color on text box and use a border. Now you can see here are opacity option. Now I decrease this opacity to drag on my mouse left button. Now click outside of this text box. Now you can see I make text box transparent in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.